Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to use Google's new Bard AI chatbot. Bard is Google's answer to ChatGPT, and today I'll check it for you. First, open the bardgoogle.com website and click on Sign In. After, sign into your Google account and we are on the Bard AI page. The interface is similar to ChatGPT. On the left, we can create different chats to save context, and at the bottom bar we can ask any questions to the Bard AI. Let's try. For example, write 10 topics for AI YouTube videos to get a lot of views. Press submit and Bard is working. Wait please, here it is. I think this is a useful answer. Let me know what you think of Bard's answer. Now let's talk about the Bard's additional capabilities. First, you can select View Other Drafts and choose the best one for yourself. You can also regenerate drafts and get new answers to your current question. You can also upload an image when communicating with the Bard. Scroll down. You can like or dislike this answer, modify response. You can make it shorter, longer, simpler, more casual, or more professional. Let's make it more professional, and we have new answers and different drafts for one question. It's good. Let's try to select only one topic. Please choose only one topic that gets the most views. And Bard, select the topic, AI and the future of work. It's good. If you want to chat with the Bard on a different topic without mixing up the context, add new chat. Let's use hints, explore spots recommendation, submit, and we see the prompt of this question. We want that Bard was a professional athlete. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe. Have a nice day, see you next time.